Hello guys, today token is after back token. Price is $0.00286534. BTC is minus 21.7% down. ETH is minus 22.5% down. Low price is $0.00279513. Price change in 24 hour. That means high price is $0.0034511. Trading volume in 24 hour around $19,000. And fully diluted valuation is around $2,86,000, and total supply is 100 million token, and maximum supply is also 100 million after back token. Its blockchain is Ethereum. This is contract address. Website is afterburntoken.com. We can join on Twitter and Telegram. After that we will enter $100 here, and in $100 we are getting around 34k after back token. After that we will come down, and this is its chart. This chart is continuously increasing and decreasing. After that we will open its website and click on afterburntoken.com. I have already opened this website. After back creating wealth from the ground up, not the top down. After back is fully audited. With the afterburn and afterback we are creating wealth from the ground up, not the top down, with a massive redistribution in ETH. Afterback have unique deflationary smart contract and a fully KYC team. Afterback project developed on Ethereum network as ERC20 token. And tokenomics, this is tokenomics. Website is afterburntoken.com, afterbacktoken.com. Ticker is AFT burn and AFT back. Supply is 100 million. Afterback is also 100 million. Available for pre-sale around 52 million. Available for free sale around 52 million. And back is also 52 million for pre-sale. Tax 15%, also 15%. Soft cap and hard cap. Soft cap 20 ETH, hard cap is 60 ETH. Max participation 0.33 ETH, and after back is also 0.33 ETH. Liquidity log 1 year, and also liquidity log in 1 year. Transaction tax breakdown. After 15% tax. 8% goes to burn the ETH giveaways pool. 8% goes to form the ETH giveaway, and they are select random holders for giveaways. Winner can range anywhere from 1 holder to 25 holder each week. 7% buyback and burn, 3% for charity, marketing and development. After back 15% tax, 8% ETH reflection paid to holders via round robin system. 2% diamond holders wallet pool, 4% liquidity and token development, 1% for veteran based charity. And click on roadmap. This is roadmap. Phase 1 website launch, Telegram and Twitter running, contract deployed. Afterburner Arcade game live, RD Labs contract audit, pass or fail KYC, pre-sale launch on Unicraft, liquidity locked for 1 year. DEX tools for sponsor ad, reach 500 holders, $1 million market cap. Afterburn $10,000 high score contest, community driven buyback trading. Phase 2 influencer marketing phase, diamond hands wallet drop start, coin gigo listing, coin market cap listing, reach 1000 holder. Arcade high score contest, diamond hands wallet drop start, influencer marketing phase 2, diamond hands wallet loaded NFT gifting, $50 million market cap. Afterburn $50,000 high score contest, huge community driven buyback trading. Phase 3 reach 5000 holder, $10 million market cap, biggest community driven buyback trading ever launched. Afterburn $1 lakh high score contest, unstoppable afterburn token that never quit. And how to buy? Firstly, download MetaMask or Trust Wallet, buy ETH and send ETH in your wallet. Go to Uniswap. You can buy AFT burn and AFT back on Uniswap decentralized exchange. You can swap any ERC20 token, and we will use 14% slippage for effective purchasing. Buy after burn to have a chance for random huge payouts for holders paid in Ethereum. Enjoy buyback and burn creating a hyper deflationary token. Second, buy after back to share in the 8% redistribution to all holders in Ethereum, plus enjoy 2% random diamond wallet give back to holder that bought and never sold single token. Buy both to be a part of growing community like minded investor who believe you can create value together, but real wealth only happen when we give back. After burn and after back, our tokens work due to the simplicity of the contract and unique tokenomics not seen with other yield farming token. Pre-sale launch, trusted ERC20 token launch and exchange, KYC and fully audited smart contract. The Afterburn project pre-sale will be Unicrowd with follow-on exchange listing on Uniswap. User can swap their token on DEX for the cryptocurrencies. Both token will also listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarket. So guys, cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. Thanks for watching.